Google Forms is effectively used by many institutions to conduct online survey. The same application can be used to conduct online quiz and online assignments also. Let us see what are the various options available in this application. Log into your Gmail account. On the right top corner, you will find Google Apps. Click it and you won't find this option here. So you have to click More from Google. Once you click, it will open in a new window. So here all Google products will be displayed. Scroll down, this option will be there at the end. So here you can find this symbol Forms. Click this. Again it will open in a new window. Here you can click Go to Google Forms. In this page, click blank. This is the title. You can give the title. So this is the quiz you are conducting in lesson 1. So either you can type the name of the lesson or you can mention lesson 1 class. Anything you can mention for which class you are going to conduct. And you can see here this is the theme option. Just click this. Here you can see the color is changing. So you can set the color of your choice. This is preview. Once we finish entering the details here, you can go for preview, and here we have a setting. So in this setting, what you can do is, if you like to collect email address from the people who are attending the quiz, you can choose this. But already you may have the email address of your student, so you need not do it, but you can enable this. And next one is limit one response. See, some students, they may simply play with this kind of quizzes. So if you limit to one response, then they will think about the answer very seriously and they will answer. So it is better you can enable this option. And in this case, they need to log in to their account and they have to attend this quiz. In case if you like to convey any information to your students at the end of the quiz, then you can mention it here. So that is confirmation message. Once they finish the quiz, this message will get displayed on their screen. The next quizzes. Make this a quiz. So here we are going to make the quiz. So enable this option. You like to give any guidelines, you can give the guidelines here. For example, you watch video number, watch this particular course online, and then you answer this question, something like that. Any kind of description you can mention here in this area. Just for example, I am typing this. So this quiz contains 4 questions, answer all the questions, something like that. Any kind of description you can give here. Now here this is the question, just click here and all the options will be displayed here. Before you come to this particular page, you need to keep the questions ready in a Word format. So now I have prepared some 4 questions, just for example, few sample questions. Okay, question number 1. Now you can leave that number, choose the question alone, press Ctrl C, copy the question and paste it here. So now the question is pasted here. Now come back to this question section. Option A, it is 6. So here option A is 6. So we need to have 4 options. So click option 2 and option 2 is -9. We need one more option. So click here Okay, now we have pasted all the 4 options. Now we are going to add another question. So click this. Again, we have to insert the question here. So question number 2. Here we have in the question itself, we have the text as well as an image. So first copy the text and paste it here. And we need to add image in the question itself. To add image in the question itself, you click this particular option. So from where we can insert this, just browse it. Where you have stored the picture, you can choose that particular folder. So here I have. So this is the picture we need to choose. So click it and click open. Automatically it will be added in the question. So now question is here and the image related to the question, it is mentioned here. Now as usual, you can include the options. So option 1, so none of these 4 options we have pasted. Now we need to give the answer key. So why we are giving answer key in the sense, when we give answer key, automatically the application will correct all the quizzes. So now the correct option is answer D. So now here we have to choose answer D. Alright, now here we have to choose this key, answer key, and then you can click, then you click done. So now the answer key is here. Fine. We like to add one more question. Click that plus symbol and keep the cursor in the question column. Come back to this. As usual, copy the question, paste it here, go to option. So all the 4 options are pasted here and the correct answer is D. So once again click answer key and choose D and click done. Okay, one more question. Here is an important thing. See here option A, 10 degree. I paste it in Google form here. It doesn't look like 10 degree, it is 100. So it doesn't accept the symbol, degree symbol. In this case, what we can do is, we need to convert these kind of things into image. And after we convert it into image, now we are going to see in the previous question, we saw how we can insert image in the question. Now how we can insert the image in the options. So instead of entering anything, any detail in the option, what you can do is click add image, browse the location and choose the right one, 10 degree. So open, the image get displayed here. So next option, again this is going to be an image, so don't enter anything in the option, instead go to add image, browse, choose the image, so we have entered all the options here and how to insert the image, you saw it. In case if you feel that you need to change this option, just click int mark and once again you will be able to add the image. Okay, again the answer for this question is A. So click answer key and choose A, then done. Fine. Now we have created 4 questions in Google Forms. Now we come to the important part. See here, this question contains 4 questions, answer all the questions we have mentioned. But instead of mentioning this, what we can do here is we can make these questions as required. Just tick this required. Then what will happen? A student cannot go to question number 2 without answering the first question. So that is the use of this one. And here student cannot skip any question. So in all the questions you enable this option, tick this. Okay, I have created the quiz. Now I like to preview this. So here you can click this button, preview. So you will find the preview of questions. I like to change the title here. Change the title as you wish. We don't need this description now because all the questions are mandatory. I like to add another option. Click this symbol. So here I like to include the name of the student. Student must enter their name here. You make it required. Only then we can know who is the name of the student who attend this quiz. Now I like to add one more question in between here. So click that plus symbol. You can add a new question here. In case if you feel like changing the position of this question, just click it and drag it down and leave it wherever you want. So now you can see the question in the place where you left. So you can include one more question here if you want, or else you can delete this. Now you have to give a name to this particular form. This title should help you to identify to which chapter you have this particular quiz. So you have given a final shape to your quiz. Now we will see how we can send this quiz. There are two options. First one, you can send it through email. You enter the email ID of all the students here. 5 minutes before you start the session, you can send it to all the students. Copy paste all the email ID. There is another option. You click this icon, you will get the link of this particular online quiz, and the link is very lengthy. In order to make it short, you click shorten URL, copy the link. You have this link in your mobile phone, and even during the session when you are conducting online session, you can send this link to all your students through WhatsApp. So on the spot they can open this link in their mobile phone and they can attend the quiz. Online quiz can be conducted at the end of a subtopic or at the end of the topic. Make your session so interactive using this Google Forms.